Hi, Mr. Flaten here. Today we're talking about sequences and digits. So let's get started. Counting numbers. If you were teaching someone how to count, you would start off with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those would be considered counting numbers. So I'll just write those up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that could go on for a long time. A sequence is what you count by. So you could count by 1s, you can count by 2s, count by 5s, count by any number you'd like. So a sequence could be 2, 4, 6, and so on. You could go 5, 10, 15, and so on. A sequence would just be counting up or down depending on what kind of number you are going up or down by. Every single number in a sequence is called a term. A term would just be any number in a sequence. So you have 2, 4, 6, those are all terms. If we say first term, it'd be the first one, second term, third term. You could do the 10th term of a number if you need to. So that takes care of what terms are. Let's do a couple of quick examples. Number 1, notice how it goes 3, 6, 9, 12, and it continues to go up. Find out what it goes up by, and you can figure out the next terms. It looks like this goes up by 3. If I count, I'd go 3, 4, 5, 6, it's up by 3. Or I could subtract and notice there's 3 in between there. So it goes up by 3 every time. So the next 3 terms would be 15, 18, and 21. Example 2. This one goes down, so we're going to be subtracting. It looks like it goes down by about 7. If I go here, 9 minus 2 is 7. So we're going to keep decreasing by 7. So 42 minus 7 would be 35. 35 minus 7 would be 28. 28 minus 7 would be 21. It's kind of like a backwards counting sequence that way. Next we'll talk about digits. A digit is just a fancy word for any number. So in this case, for example 3, you'll notice there's 186000. There are 6 numbers that make up this entire number, 6 digits. So the answer for this one, if they ask you how many digits, would be 6. We also have, well, let's look over here quick. It's going to look just like this one when we get there for practice. Example 4, they might ask you a question, what is the last digit of a number or the second digit of a number? If they do that, all you would do, figure out where they would be. So if they say last digit, it'd be 8. At this time, we're going to do a little practice over here. Please pause the video, do these, and when you're ready, we can come back and I'll show you what you should have had. Okay, let's take a look. If you paused it and did these, you notice that this counts up by 2s. So if we go, next numbers would be 12, 14, 16, just like that. This one seems to go down by 3s, so I'd go 12, 9, 6. Number 3, if we had a problem like this, and they asked us how many digits, I guess I didn't tell you you're supposed to do that, but how many digits we'd count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer would be 5 digits. And in this one, you could say 4 digits, or you could figure out which digit is in which case. If we did the last digit like we did over here, it would just be 7.